function of shape. That means shape the data frame. How to shape the data frame? Here you see the different values are given, and according to the values, I have find out that age and rating has been I put it there. Now let us shape it. First, let us run the program. Let's see what the output is coming here. Then I'm going to explain from that output. It will be more explanatory, and it will be more easier to you to understand for this particular program. Okay, so shape means to give the shape of the particular object what is there. Clear? So this is the particular object what you have or what I have given here, how the shape will going to be formed. Clear? So this is how you will going to find that the shape of the particular data structure or the data frame will be formed as when we are working with the particular data dictionary. Now in this data dictionary what you see is that there is a first I have taken a series of names. Some names are there. So after the series of name what is there? See here. Now you see here what is the shape of the object. Shape of the object is 7 comma 3. So how 7 comma 3? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. That means how many rows? There are 7 rows. And how many columns? 1 column, 2 column, 3 column. Clear? Now from here you can understand that this is how that particular thing can be shaped off. Shaped off means you can get the shape of the total structure. Suppose you are working with, here I have given how many? 7 names. Okay, 7 names. So what I have done, import panda as pd, import numpy as np. Then I have created the dictionary. What the dictionary? First the name pd series. I have given the 7 names here. So those are the 7 names has been given here. And after the 7 names what I have given, I have given their age. Different ages are there. After the age has been defined, what we will going to find is that here in this particular section I have also the rating. Okay, so rating is this particular area. Rating of the student has been, so three different series has been combined and formed into a dictionary. So when different series has been combined and different into the dictionary, what we find it, this has been changed into the data frame. After it has been changed into the data frame, then what I have done it, that I have printed out the data frame. How to convert it? df equals to pd dot data frame. What? That particular dictionary. What is the dictionary? Dictionary is d. Okay, in d I have stored all the values. So d is my dictionary. So there I have stored all the value and it has been stored there. So this is the thing what has been done. Then what I have done, I have printed out the object. What is the object? And after that what I have done, I want to know the shape. Now see one thing very nicely here. What we are doing here, it is saying dimension is 2. That means here x, and based on the x and y axis, the how many dimension it can show you. 2 dimension, the 3 dimension, 4 dimension figure. So this is a 2 dimensional figure. That means from the above way and from this way, from the below and from down, it will going to show you the 2 dimensional figure. That means in this particular Nimit is showing you the 2 dimensional figure. Nimit is our first program. But the second program what we have there, what you are seeing, there you are seeing this is our first program and this is the second program. This is the first program Nimit and this is the second program where I have given the shape. Okay, where I have given the df dot shape. Shape means how many rows and columns. Simple way, how many rows and columns are there in a program. So this is we will going to see that we will going to find out how many number of rows and columns are there in a program. That can be done with the help of this particular shape option or the shape command that we will going to give. Okay, so shape is a function. I am calling a shape function. Limit is also a function. I have called the limit function. As soon as I call the limit function, this particular what, how many dimension from the above and from this side, that means 2 dimensional figure it is showing to you. So dimension is 2, and from here what we find it, that what is the shape. That means how many rows and how many columns. There are how many rows? There are 7 rows. And how many columns are there? 3 columns are there. So 7 rows and 3 columns. made up your particular program. So if you increase it,